Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody saw this on a video done with Adobe Illustrator and they can't figure out how to get it to work in Corel. I don't think you can. So if we select all these nodes and go right here to align, it doesn't work. That's what they do in the Adobe uh, video, but it doesn't work just for those nodes. But there's other ways around that. I purposely put the top of my lines in the center of the page. So if we do this, just another way around it, of course, you have to move everything around, but you need to select all your items, then take the shape tool and select all the nodes and hit P on your keyboard and you get that effect. Let's make them yellow, kind of make them stand out. And I've done things like this before with almost the same stuff. I don't remember what I did to it, but it's a pretty cool, let me take away the indexing lines. It's a pretty cool graphic that you could maybe do a lot with. You know, I don't know if it's at a right angle. I'm going to look more in that, and I'll maybe make another video on it. Anyway, I hope it helped them, and thank you for watching.